Om Swastiastu. Welcome to Bali.
Balinese culture. Balinese culture is very diverse. One of them is menjaitan, or activity to make facilities for ceremony offerings, which is shown to worship God by using a series of decoration which is called chanang, which are decorated with colorful flowers and young coconut leaf which has been shined using bamboo cotton.
Hey Eka, good morning. How are you today?
Hi, good morning, Yumi. I'm fine. How about you?
I'm fine. What are you doing?
I'm making chana.
May I help you?
Yes, of course. Please sit next to me.
Okay, come. Where you like chana is? Oh, I see you go alone.
Maybe alone because no one home to temple.
I want to come, okay?
Really? Are you serious?
Me too. This just chanang make it.
Yes, it is more than enough.
Oh yeah, I almost forget my friend Ara will come here to invite someone to learn how to make a channel.
Oh, really? When will they come?
Maybe 15 minutes. He will come here. I have told them that no, I make channel with him.
Oh, okay.
Have a minute.
Yumi, this is my friend Surya. She comes from France. Come here to learn how to make a chana.
Hey Surya, please follow me.
Hi, Eka.
Hi. She will teach you to make a channel.
Please sit down. Okay.
Eka, how to make a channel?
Busung is young leaf from coconut tree. Busung usually cut according to the size, which will be made. After that, chew with a smat. Smat is small stick from bamboo and it be hooked. And then knife and the flowers.
Oh, I know. After that, what to do?
Mataning is on activity arrange. A fairy offering material and make it become integrity of the banten.
Flowers and should be composed according to the B section on the wine. The black flower is symbolizes the god of Vishnu to the north. The red flower is symbolizes the god of Brahma to the south. The yellow flower is symbolizes the god of Mahadeva to the west. And the white flower is symbolizes the god of Iswara to the east.
Hey, no, I really know. That's right, make a chana.
Bali culture is not just this. There is also Balinese dance, like Legong dance.
Do you want to teach me to dance Bali?
Of course, Surya. Me and Yumi will teach you.
Let's learn here.
Well, of course. Wait, Yumi, can I join to dance?
Yes, of course, Anna.
Let's start. beautiful dance. I love it.
Thank you so much, Surya.
Surya and Ara, do you want to follow me? Eka go to plan.
Yes, of course. Today is very fun for me.
Is our Bali, Bali culture and custom of Bali.
Let's preserve Bali culture and customs of Bali for the future generations. Om Santi 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 Om.